Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use geolocation information from your Mailchimp audience. This is a powerful feature that allows you to see exactly where your subscribers are located and send targeted campaigns based on their geographical data, making your email marketing much more effective and personalized. First, open a web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to access your account by clicking the Login button, which you'll typically find at the top right corner of the homepage. This will take you to the login screen where you can enter your credentials. Now go ahead and enter your email address and password in the respective fields. After you've filled in your details, click the login button to proceed to your Mailchimp dashboard. Make sure your credentials are correct to avoid any login issues that might slow down the process. Once you're inside your Mailchimp account, direct your attention to the left navigation panel. Here you'll find various menu options for managing your email campaigns and audience. Click on Audience to reveal an expanded menu with additional options. This section is where all your subscriber management tools live, and it's essential for understanding who your audience is and how they engage with your content. From the expanded menu, select Audience Dashboard. This will take you to a comprehensive overview of your subscriber base, showing you various metrics and insights about your audience. The dashboard is designed to give you a clear picture of who's engaging with your emails and where they're coming from. Now scroll down through the audience dashboard until you locate the top location section. This is where the geolocation magic happens. You might need to scroll past other sections like email marketing engagement, but keep going until you find it. This section displays valuable geographical data about your subscribers. In the top location section, you'll see a detailed list of all the locations your subscribers are coming from. This information is incredibly useful for understanding your audience geographical distribution and can help you tailor your marketing strategies accordingly. You'll notice that just like the email marketing engagement section on your left side, there's a paper plane icon next to each location. This paper plane icon is your gateway to sending targeted campaigns. By clicking on it, you can create and send emails specifically to subscribers from that particular location. This means you can craft campaigns that speak directly to the needs, interests, or even time zones of people in specific regions, making your email marketing far more relevant and effective. And there you have it. You now know how to access and use geolocation information from your Mailchimp audience to create more targeted and effective email campaigns. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.